Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel IELTS Winner. Hope you are preparing well for your IELTS exam. So here I am back again with one more mock test for speaking to help you do your preparation in much better way. So as you know, in this you have to record yourself, record the answers after I finish the questions and then evaluate at the end. For each part 1, you need to record for maximum 35 seconds. For part 2, less than 2 minutes. And for part 3, each answer should be no more than 50 seconds. So after I read the question, pause the video, record your answer, and then play to hear the next one. Before we move ahead, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified with all the latest mock tests that are given on the channel. Let's start our mock test. The first part is the interview or the warm-up session. You will be asked maximum of 10 and 11 questions. You need to answer for only 35 seconds. Be precise, pause the question, record your answer, and then play the next one. So let's begin. Hello, I am Anshu, your examiner. Could you tell me your full name, please? Do you work or study? What do you think about your work? What clothes do you prefer? Do you go shopping? Which is your favorite piece of cloth at the moment? Let's move ahead and talk about cars. Which car model or brand is most famous in your country? Do you drive a car? What age do you think is ideal to start driving? In future, which car would you like to buy? That is it for your part 1 questions. Let's move on to part 2, that is cue card or the long run. Here, after receiving the question, you need to prepare for 1 minute on the topic. After 1 minute, I will tell you to start recording yourself. After I tell you to begin your recording, pause the video, record for minimum 2 minutes and not more than 2 minutes 5 seconds, and then move on to part 3. So here is the cue card for your today's mock test. Think about an event that made you happy in the recent days. You should say what event it was, where it took place, why it made you happy. So your preparation time for 1 minute begins now. Your 1 minute of preparation time is over. Now you can start recording your answer. Don't speak for more than 2 minutes. Start your answer. That is it for your part 2. Let's move on to part 3, that is discussion or follow-up questions. For each question, you need to answer for maximum 50 seconds. Do not go beyond that. After each question, pause, record for 45 to 50 seconds and then move on to the next question. Let's begin. What do you prefer? Advertisements in magazines or on TV? Do you think money can make a person happy? Do you think a rich person can be unhappy? If yes, why? What do you think is the difference in moral values in the past and these days? That is it for your mock test 2. I hope you have recorded your answer. Now do evaluate according to the band descriptors given in the links. Thank you and hope it was useful. If you think this was useful, do subscribe and click the bell icon. If you want to get evaluated with all the mentors who have scored band 9 themselves, do contact us for our paid courses. Happy learning. Have a good day.